If a computer can write an essay, answer questions, and talk like a human, would you call it intelligent? That intelligence comes from something called LLM, Large Language Model. In this 5-minute video, I'll explain LLM so simply that you'll never forget it. LLM means Large Language Model. It is a computer program that learns human language by reading a huge amount of data like books, websites, and notes. Just like you learn English by reading textbooks, LLMs learn language by reading millions of pages. LLMs are deep learning models designed to understand and generate human language. Large language models are transformer-based deep learning models trained on massive datasets to perform NLP tasks such as text generation, translation, and question answering. LLM can answer questions, complete sentences, translate languages, and chat like a human. They are called large because their data is very big, and language model because they work with words and sentences. They are called large because they are trained on massive datasets containing trillions of words. The larger and better the data, the smarter the model becomes. LLM works in 3 simple steps: reads lots of text, learns patterns of words, predicts the next word. An LLM does not memorize answers, it predicts the next word based on what makes sense. Like Delhi is capital of dash. The model predicts India. This is how tools like chatgpt work. LLMs use a neural network architecture called transformers. Transformers help the model understand context and relationship between words in sentence. Some popular LLMs include GPT-4o, Gemini 1.4 Pro, LLM A3.1, Claude 3.5, and Mistral. Each model has unique strengths such as multimodality, efficiency, or safety. LLMs are widely used for text generation, code writing, translation, chatbots, email drafting. They also support audio, image captions, and video scripting. Despite their power, LLMs require high computing resources. They may generate incorrect information confidentially and may not generalize well. Since LLMs are trained on internet data, they may show bias. There are also privacy concerns and risks from misleading inputs. LLM developed by Meta AI is trained on publicly available data. It uses efficient techniques and requires less computational power. LLM is flexible, available in multiple sizes, and performs well in summarization and question answering. It is useful in education, research, and content creation.